Osteoarthritis is a leading joint degenerative disorder seen in dogs, which show unexplained pains in their limbs and swelling of joints. You may often find them whimpering in pain every time they try to jump, run or walk. Why does this happen? This condition causes long-term degeneration of joints, including many tissues like cartilage, bones of the joint capsule and synovial fluid. This results in stiffness, lameness and pain. Pentors is being introduced as an easy solution and treatment to osteoarthritis for your dogs by Vetina. This module is classified under DMOAD, disease-modifying osteoarthritis drug. It constitutes of an active ingredient called pentosan polysulfate sodium that is derived from a plant source called beechwood, most commonly used as an injectable drug to treat osteoarthritis in animals. The Pentors works by acting at multiple junctions in the interconnected pathway of pathological changes occurring in the articular cartilage, subchondral bone, joint synovial lining and the synovial fluid in an osteoarthritic joint. Degeneration takes place when mechanical factors act on healthy cartilage and subchondral bone, causing the release of proteolytic enzymes that break down the healthy tissues as well as cause the synovium to get inflamed, which leads to an abnormal synoviocyte metabolism, decreased hyaluronian size and reduced viscosity and lubrication of the joint, finally leading to the breakdown of the cartilage and damaging of the bone. The damaged bone further causes synovitis, thus repeating the same process again and again until the complete loss of bone or joint function. What Pentors does is that it acts at a number of points simultaneously, breaking the chain and creating favorable conditions for bone regeneration activities. It inhibits the proteolytic enzymes and decreases the loss of proteoglycans as well as inhibits destructive enzymes like interleukin-1, interleukin-6 and TNF-alpha. Due to exhibiting partial heparin-like qualities, it also breaks down blood clots to increase blood flow to the joint, which cures bone necrosis and sclerosis and also reduces inflammation and pain, and finally increases the hyaluronic acid concentration in synovial fluid, leading to increased viscosity and lubrication in the joints, thus initiating chondrocyte regeneration of the damaged cartilage and bone. This Pentors works on many types of conditions, including osteoarthritis and traumatic joint diseases, osteochondrosis dissecans, degenerative cartilaginous joint diseases, musculoskeletal disorders, and periarticular inflammation. Plus, it has been proven to have zero side effects due to its origin being plant-based, thus being a completely safe drug for the dog. Choose Pentors. Relieve pain, restore function, renew hope. For inquiry, call or write to us on 912067 445858, 9175065622266. Email ID customerservice@vetina.com. Visit us at www.vetina.com.